Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant error code 7 easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you need to do just type here services, scroll down until you find VGC and click properties, and after that you will find it like that. Manual, make it automatic, apply and OK, and then just type here. Now type here CMD. Now once you're here, all you need to do just type here sc delete VGC and then click enter, and after that just restart your PC and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.